In this guide, we will show you how to access BBC iPlayer, not just from the USA, but even from Canada to Australia and everywhere in between. We're talking world-wide access. So if you're watching this from outside of the UK, grab your remote and follow along. Hey there, fellow streamers! Welcome to the channel dedicated to helping you supercharge your Fire Stick. As this is a complete guide, we will start completely from scratch. So first, we need to download an app called Downloader. This can be found by heading to the search bar, and as soon as you start typing it in, it should appear at the top of the list. Select it and then click Download. While that's downloading, if I could ask that you hit that subscribe button, it helps out the channel massively and ensures you never miss one of our awesome guides. Once it's downloaded, before we open it for the first time, we need to change a few settings. Hit back a couple of times until you are back at the home screen, then make your way over to the settings icon. Now make your way down to my FireTV and hit the select button. As you can see, I have developer options already enabled on my device. To enable them, you just need to head into the About section, then click on your device 7 times. You will then get a notification saying you are now a developer. Press the back button, enter the developer options, and click on Install Unknown Apps. You will see Downloader in the list. You can now switch the toggle to On. Keep hitting back on your remote until you get to your home screen. As Downloader is an app that's going to be used a lot in the future, I like to move it to the front of the list. Just head to your apps, go down to Downloader and press the menu button on your remote. In the side menu, select the option to move app to the front of the list. As we are going to be watching iPlayer from outside the UK, we are going to need a premium VPN to spoof our location. My 2 recommendations are Proton VPN and IPVanish. Either one is excellent. Their premium subscriptions cost less than a cup of coffee a month, and I've even managed to secure exclusive discounts for my viewers. You can find the links in the description. As iPlayer is only available in the UK store, we need to head to Downloader and hit Select on the search bar. Once this screen appears, we now need to type in the code you see on the screen exactly as I type it here. This code is a direct link to a working iPlayer APK. Once you're finished, just head down and click Go. After a few seconds, the APK will start to download. Depending on your connection speed, this shouldn't take more than a few seconds. Once it's downloaded, just follow the on-screen prompts to install the iPlayer APK. Once the APK has installed, just click the Done button and you will now get an option to delete the install files. Hit Delete and then return to your home screen. We can now head over to your Apps section, and if you scroll down, you will see that iPlayer has now been installed on your device. Scroll down, and if you click on the app, after the introduction, you will be prompted to sign in via one of 2 methods. Now, you will need to create an account before you are able to sign in. Head over to bbc.com from your phone or laptop and follow the steps to create an account. If you have trouble creating the account, you may need to switch your VPN on and set your location to the UK. Both Proton VPN and IPVanish have Windows clients as well as Firestick apps, and they can both be used on multiple devices. Once that's done, just follow the prompts to sign in to iPlayer on your Firestick. If that all went smoothly, you should now see a welcome screen. Just click OK, and we can now take a look around and see what this amazing service has to offer. But we are not finished yet. After you have looked around and tried to play something, you will see an error message just like this one. That's because we haven't enabled our VPN and set it to the UK yet. Just exit iPlayer, and when on your home screen, make your way to your chosen VPN. Just head into your provider's app and follow the on-screen prompt to sign into your chosen VPN, making sure to select a UK-based server for your location. Once that's done, you can now head back to your apps and then go back into iPlayer. You should be greeted with your account login you created earlier, and you will now see that all the entertainment is now streamable. If you found this tutorial useful, please check out our other videos for more amazing Fire Stick guides.